Hey everyone, it's Dave Espino, and I'm coming to you from my brand new offices. In fact, I haven't even furnished the office yet. I've been so busy working, and I haven't had time to find even a proper desk or anything, but I wanted to share with you. I've got a bunch of this soundproofing foam because part of the office is going to be a studio, or at least it's going to be soundproofed to be able to record. I record online courses, I record videos, all that kind of thing. Got a couple of bookcases that we haven't even assembled or anything yet, but those are going to go up against a wall. We're going to have backgrounds for filming videos and all that kind of thing. I don't know if you can see, but I've got my teleprompter right there, and I've got the tripod for the teleprompter on the way. So all kinds of things that are just, as far as an office, kind of in disarray, but that's okay because you know what? All I need is this desktop, this microphone, this camera, and I'm good to go. Okay, I can do business from anywhere in the world, so that's cool. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you the office and where it's at right now. It just literally moved in within the last week or so. I want to share with you today something very cool, and I don't know why I didn't think about sharing this earlier, but this stuff just kind of happens when you're in the internet marketing business. I literally had a $5,000 a month in the last few days. It just kind of came out of nowhere. And it has to do with a program that I've been promoting that is called ClickFunnels. Now, you've probably heard me talk about ClickFunnels ever since I got back from Funnel Hacking Live. Funnel Hacking Live 2018 was literally a life-changing moment for me. It's when I realized, oh, you know what? This ClickFunnels thing is 1,000% for real. And what I mean by that is it is a real system that's being used by 6, 7, 8-figure earners to sell just about anything on the internet. Whether it's physical products, whether it's e-commerce, whether it's digital products, whether it's online courses, whether it's real estate, whether it's gym memberships, you name it, people are selling it with ClickFunnels. Basically what ClickFunnels is a way to set up an online sales process so that people buy more and more and more from you over time. It's very, very powerful. It's very, very efficient, and it leverages your time and your efforts dramatically so that you get a lot more sales of whatever you're selling. So it's a super, super powerful program. I've been using it for about 2 or 3 years, ever since Russell Brunson gave me a beta access to the software. And, originally when I first started, I kind of looked at it and I'm like, okay, it builds funnels and whatever. But after Funnel Hacking Live 2018, which was literally the end of March, just a month or so ago, I was locked in and have been, since I got back, have been working on my webinar launch ever since then. And I'm just about ready now to launch this webinar, launch this masterclass. It's called The World's Most Perfect Business. But enough about me. What I wanted to share with you here today was about how I made a little over $5,800 last month as an affiliate for ClickFunnels. Now, I got to tell you something. I have not been working really hard at affiliate marketing. What I have been working at is online course creation. And every once in a while I'll create a video and I'll put it out to my list or my audience and I'll tell them how incredible ClickFunnels is, because it is. And so I haven't really been one of these full-time affiliate marketers, is what I'm trying to say. I haven't pushed it really hard. I haven't really done a whole lot, frankly, to earn this money. And that's why I thought, you know what, I need to do a video on this because this is powerful. The reason this is so good is the people at ClickFunnels are that good. They know how to take your lead that you send through your affiliate link and how to convert it into a sale. They are masters at it. So all you do is send people to ClickFunnels through your link or to the .com Secrets book or the Expert Secrets book, which, by the way, these are free books. And then those people get into that funnel and they'll end up buying some of the upsells and you end up making commissions from that. It's a very, very powerful program. So I thought, man, you know what? I better talk to my audience about this. I better let you guys know that in the last let me show you here. This is a screenshot. I only took screenshots because I don't want to share all my information. Some of it is personal, private financial information. So I took screenshots. But as you can see, on the 24th, we did 799. On the 25th, 4211. 26th, 726. On the 27th, minus 26. Okay, I'll take that, right? On the 28th, we did 120 bucks. On the 29th, 20. And on the 30th, 0. So what that adds up to is another screenshot from my ClickFunnels account. $5,889 in the last 30 days of affiliate commissions that I made from ClickFunnels. And once again, I gotta stress this. I have not been working at this that seriously at all. I created some videos talking about ClickFunnels. I sent out these videos to my audience, to my list. I put them on a couple of my Facebook groups. I don't have a gigantic audience, and yet, because ClickFunnels is so good at converting those leads and turning them into sales and then upselling them to bigger and bigger products, I get paid commissions. And the other cool thing about ClickFunnels is they have something called sticky cookies, which means that even if you lead somebody to a ClickFunnels account through your affiliate link, and maybe they don't buy then, but in the future, they get plugged in, or they see a video by Russell Brunson, or they see a ClickFunnels thing, promotion, they buy then, you still get paid for that. You still get credit for that. And that's where I think a lot of these sales came from, is stuff I've just been planting out there, little seeds that I've been planting out there, and they all kind of blossomed. So be aware that this is a very powerful affiliate program, and you can do really, really well with it if you decide to. So as you can see, over the last 30 days, I made $5,889 in commissions coming to me as a result of, like I said, just a little bit of seed planting here and there. So here's what I want to share with you. This is super powerful. ClickFunnels has created something called the Affiliate Bootcamp. Now, by the way, this is completely free, guys. Totally free. But yet, what they've created is literally a $1,000 or $2,000 product that they're giving away to their affiliates, or to people who want to become their affiliates. And it doesn't cost anything to be an affiliate either, okay? But this bootcamp has been put together by some of the top super affiliates in the world, and it's yours for free. I'm telling you, this is $1,000 to $2,000 product here, $1,000 to $2,000 worth of training about how to be an amazing affiliate. And then you can take this information and use it to make your $5,000 or $6,000 with ClickFunnels as an affiliate, or some other affiliate program. Let's say you're getting involved in other affiliate programs elsewhere. You can still use the same information, the same training, these strategies to make all the income you want to make. So I wanted to share that with you. This is a completely free program. You just sign up here, hit that red button, and join the 100-day challenge. And then I want to show you on the inside, this is what it looks like. Day 1 is a little welcome video. It tells you what to do, gives you some action points. And then day 2, day 3, day 4, these things are unlocked for you all the way to 100 days. And they even have a program where you can win your dream car when you generate enough affiliates coming into your program. But even if you decide you don't care about the dream car, you can still make some incredible income with this affiliate program. So what I'm sharing with you here is completely free. Go sign up at this. I'm going to give you a link to it just below this video so you can check it out. Completely free training, high level training, by the way. This is something they could easily charge $1,000 or $2,000 for, completely free for you. Learn how to be an affiliate, learn how to get this kind of income, these kinds of sales days coming in for you. And I'll tell you what, they do most of the work for you. All you do is generate leads coming through your link, your special affiliate link, and they do all the rest of the work for you. Super, super powerful. So hope you enjoyed today's update. I'm going to be updating you as I go, as we launch, as we go into the webinar and everything. It's going to be super powerful. The webinar is called The World's Most Perfect Business.